I would like to call for conversation Muhammad Aanis between Abdullah Khalid. Please come on the podium.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Abdullah Khalid.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Maulvi Zafar Ahmad.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Zubaida Khatun.
Where is studying?
I am studying in M.E.F coaching center.
Where is situated M.E.F coaching center?
M.E.F coaching center is situated in Pura, معروف.
How are you feeling here?
I am feeling good here.
Nice to meet you.